Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix verification required, tap continue and sign in to view billing information. So guys, if you're trying to download apps from your app store but you're facing this problem and you're unable to download the apps, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open settings in your device. So guys, open your settings and now tap on your profile, and from here you have to simply tap on payment and shipping, and wait here for some seconds. So guys, enter your Apple ID password. So guys, from here you have to simply remove your payment method for one time from here. So guys, simply remove your payment method and after this go back and now tap on sign in and security and tap on change password. So guys, enter your iPhone passcode and from here you have to simply change the password of your Apple ID for one time. So guys, simply do this. And after this go back again and from here scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID for one time. So guys, simply sign out your Apple ID for one time and after this force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, restart the device and after this sign in your Apple ID again in your device. So guys, simply sign in your Apple ID again and after this you have to simply tap on media and purchases and tap on view account and wait again here for some seconds. So guys, from here tap on country or region tap on change country or region and from here select your country whichever you want. So guys, here I am selecting United States and from here tap on agree and from here you have to simply give all of information of your payment method again. So guys, from here you have to simply add your billing information or your payment information in here and from here scroll it below and add your billing name and address correctly from here. So guys, you have to simply give here your payment method correctly and after this you have to simply save this information in your device. So guys, do this and after this you have to simply go back to your home screen and now open settings again and now you have to scroll it below and tap on general and from here tap on date and time and from here you have to simply set your date and time from here as well. So guys, do this and from here scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device. So guys, do this and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.